Hi there, welcome back to Mark ERC. On this video today we're going to be unboxing Tamiya's Grasshopper 2 Black Edition. Box is exactly the same as the normal Grasshopper apart from the decal depicting the Black Edition. So what do you get in the box? Hard ABS plastic body shell, which is pretty much the same as the Mad Ball and very similar to the Super Hot Shot, if not the same. I haven't got a Super Hot Shot, so it's hard to tell. Big wing on the back, hard ABS plastic. I've taken all the plastics off just so it's a lot easier to see the parts. Then we've got this basic Grasshopper chassis, plastic tub chassis, pretty much the same throughout all the Grasshopper range. Get these really cool, sort of really dark grey wheels, wide ones for the rear, skinnies for the front. I've never seen this colour wheel on any of other Tamiya's other kits, so and obviously a lot easier to put together than the Grasshopper wheels because these are just a single piece wheel. Then we've got my favourite rear spiky tyres from Tamiya. They hook up really well on all sorts of surfaces, but if you're running on tarmac they don't last very long at all. Got our front ribbed wheels with the writing on off-roader. Sometimes I paint them, sometimes I'm leaving be, but I might paint these because I think they do look quite cool when the tyres are painted. Then we've got our parts trees. We've got front A-arms, a couple of battery braces. I've noticed the brace is slightly different than the standard Grasshopper. Has those two little tabs on the side. Normally it's just a straightforward brace. A-arms look quite similar. I'm not sure if they're exactly the same. No, they're not. They've got a slightly different moulding in the bottom. I'm assuming to take the shock absorbers. So they're slightly different than the OG Grasshoppers, than the original ones. Tamiya's standard. Oh, excuse me. Rear gearbox, pretty much generic throughout a lot of their cars. They use this on loads of models. Really nice tough gearbox with the wheel sort of hexes on the side there and the motor cover. Then we've got our battery bracket at the bottom, some more mounting hardware. They even give you the brace for the mechanical speed control. I'm not even sure if this was out when there's, well anyway. Also the brackets to hold the rear suspension on and the rear gearbox mounts. Then we've got our part box. So you get CVAs with this particular kit. So you get mini CVA for the front. Are they grey plastic as well? Yeah. So you get a tiny little CVA for the shock, also moulded in a grey plastic. I don't think there's many models that Tamiya use the grey. Then we get all the shock parts. Let's put all the shock absorbers together, bottom cups and the little pistons. 2 packs of them, obviously front and rear. Part bag B, rod ends, load of hardware. Part bag B, part bag D, 3 little screws. There must be a variation somewhere in the kit. Part bag C, plastic bushes and like the wrench and an Allen key and some more hardware. Servo saver, driver figure, standard Tamiya servo saver, not a high torque one or anything like that. Then we've got our rear shocks, which are a bit bigger. So we've got the slightly taller rear shock absorbers, also moulded in that grey plastic. Standard Grasshopper, big front bumper. Oh, even the shock, got shock oil. What else is in there? Shock oil, front and rear springs, the diaphragms for the tops of the shocks, load of O-rings, and a load of ball studs, mounting points. Oh, I'd have thought with it being a Grasshopper 2 you would have got a 5x40 silver can, but that's not the case. Looks like we've got a tiny, oh yeah, that's wrapped up well. I can actually get it out of the plastic. We've got a huge 360 motor. Probably swap that out straight away for a 540 can, a tiny little motor. Maybe we'll run it with that tiny little motor, and then we can do some upgrade videos of upgrading the Grasshopper 2. But tiny little motor, fixed pinion. Got a standard 3-geared plastic differential, which is in loads and loads of Tamiya's different cars and buggies. And then we've got part bag A, which is our gearbox axles, some grease, and a load more of those terrible plastic bushings. So there we have it, the contents of the kit. Also, obviously, you get Tamiya's instruction manual, which I think personally are the best manuals there are in the RC industry. So you get basically a standard manual, and then they've got another edition that you add on because, yeah, the front wishbones are slightly different, and you got CVA shocks in the Grasshopper 2, as in I think the original just had pogo shocks, if I remember rightly. Yeah, I think the original had pogo shocks. It was the Grasshopper 2 Super G that come with the yellow CVAs. And then we've got, which I think is quite nice on this kit, you get completely different coloured decals, which are going to look really nice against the black, as well as being super bright. So there's all the parts from the kit all laid out. Next video I'll obviously be doing a build video, putting it all together. So I hope you've enjoyed the little unboxing video, and I hope to see you in the build video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.